Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Are you ready to join a dynamic team and kickstart your career? We are hiring female telecallers. Our requirements are simple. If you have a qualification of intermediate or any degree, we want you. Our job locations are in Hyderabad, Nizampet and Tellapur. We offer a competitive salary ranging from 12,000 to 20,000 gross plus incentives. For our Tellapur branch, we provide cab availability from Lingampalli. Interested? Send your CV to this contact number. We are looking for both freshers and experienced female candidates. Join us and become a part of our growing family. Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe for more updates. Search our website rayopportunities.com where you will find more job updates. We'll see you there. Thank you. Thank you for watching.